Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the TikTok avatar effect on your TikTok videos. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. If you don't want to show your face on TikTok videos you create, then this is a solution for you. TikTok now allows you to create your very own avatar, and now you can use them to create videos on TikTok. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a TikTok video. Then tap on effects at the bottom left. Then tap on search and search for TikTok avatars. You should see this appear in the search results. The effect will look like this, so tap on it. This will start your camera view, and in the middle of the screen you'll see this avatar library where you have a selection of pre-made avatars. Your face should be replaced by one of the avatars. Scroll through and see which represents you the best. If none of them represents you, then you can swipe right and tap on New to create your very own avatar. Select an avatar which best represents you to the closest. Then on the next page, you can customize it even more. You can select the skin tone, hair type, head type, eyebrows, eye shape, nose shape, mouth, ears, and other facial features. You can even add eyeglasses or headpieces. Once you're happy with all the features, tap on Done at the top right. This will then be added to your avatar library for you to use in the future. Now go ahead and create your very own video using this avatar. And that is how to use TikTok avatar effect on your TikTok videos. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.